Mint is gone. And that single change confused millions of people who were just trying to manage their money. Because Mint was not just an app, it was the default starting point for budgeting. So when it shut down, people were left asking one question: what am I supposed to use now? Today, I am breaking down the 7 best budgeting apps in 2026, not the most popular ones like Mint, but the ones that actually match how people behave with money, exactly what each one does, who it is for, and which one makes sense depending on how you handle money. And stay till the end, because using the wrong budgeting app can quietly make your finances worse, not better, if you choose the wrong one. Before we get into these apps, you need to understand this. Budgeting apps don't fail because they are bad. They fail because people pick the wrong type of app for their behavior. Some apps are built for structure. Some are built for automation. Some are built for investing, not budgeting. Once you understand it, choosing becomes easy. And this matters more than you think. Because most people don't fail at budgeting, they fail by choosing the wrong tool for their behavior. Let's start with the app that comes closest to replacing Mint, and actually improves on it: Monarch Money. Monarch Money is the best overall Mint replacement for most people. It is a full budgeting app that connects to your bank accounts, credit cards, and investments, then organizes everything into one clean dashboard. What makes Monarch Money different and beginner-friendly is how it handles spending. Instead of assuming your expenses are the same every month, it separates fixed expenses, like rent and subscriptions, from flexible expenses, like food, gas, and lifestyle spending. That matters because real life is not consistent. Monarch Money also tracks subscriptions automatically, shows your net worth in real time, lets couples manage money with separate logins, and includes an AI assistant that answers questions about your spending. Who should use Monarch Money? Beginners and intermediates, users who want a clean, modern budgeting system that actually matches how people spend in real life. If you want structure without feeling boxed in, Monarch is the safest starting point. Now, maybe you don't want to build a budget from scratch. Maybe you just want something that works, especially on your phone. That is where the next app comes in: Quicken Simplifi budgeting app. It is first money budgeting app designed for automation. Instead of asking you to create categories and rules, Simplifi analyzes your income and spending patterns, then builds a spending plan automatically. It detects recurring bills, tracks subscriptions, and places upcoming expenses on a calendar so you can see what is coming before the money is gone. This is important because most people don't fail at budgeting. They fail at timing, and they check too late. Who should use Quicken Simplifi? People who live on their phone, want minimal setup, and prefer automation over customization. If you hate spreadsheets and manual budgeting, Simplifi does the thinking for you. Now let's talk about the app everyone asks about. The free one. Empower budgeting app. Empower is the best free Mint alternative, but it is not a traditional budgeting app. Empower focuses on net worth, investments, and long-term planning, not day-to-day budgeting. It tracks your bank accounts, investments, retirement accounts, and even crypto, then shows you how everything fits together. It also runs retirement simulations, analyzes investment fees, and shows how your current choices affect your future wealth. But here is the key thing beginners need to know. Empower won't stop you from overspending this month. It will show you what overspending costs you over time. Who should use Empower? People who want a free tool, people who are investing, or care more about long-term wealth than strict budgeting. Think of Empower as a financial mirror, not a spending coach. Now let me show you the app that helps people who don't realize where their money is actually going. I mean leaking money. Rocket Money budgeting app. Rocket Money is best known for subscription tracking and cancellation. It scans your accounts, finds recurring charges, alerts you to forgotten subscriptions, and in some cases helps cancel or negotiate bills. It also includes budgeting tools, net worth tracking, credit score monitoring, and investment tracking. But its real strength is stopping silent money drains. If you have ever looked at your bank statement and thought, "Why am I still paying for this?" Rocket Money was built for you. Who should use Rocket Money? Beginners who want fast wins, simple budgeting, and better control over subscriptions. This app does not optimize every dollar, it stops the bleeding first. Now let's talk about the most advanced app on this list. Origin budgeting app. Origin is not just a budgeting app, it is an all-in-one financial platform. It combines budgeting, investing, high-yield savings, tax filing, wills, trusts, and even access to certified financial planners. It also includes AI tools that can help calculate emergency funds, project savings timelines, and simulate complex financial decisions like stock options. This level of power is rare, but it is not for everyone. Who should use Origin? People with growing or complex finances who want everything in one place and are ready for a more advanced system. For simple budgets, it may feel like too much. For complex money, it is a serious upgrade. Now let's talk about a very different kind of user. Tiller Money Budgeting App. Tiller Money is for people who love spreadsheets instead of a traditional app. Tiller connects your bank accounts to Google Sheets or Excel, where you control everything. You get automatic transaction imports, budgeting templates, net worth dashboards, and full ownership of your data. There is a learning curve, and it is not great on phones, but the control is unmatched. Who should use Tiller Money? People who want transparency, customization, and complete control over their finances. If spreadsheets excite you, this is one of the most powerful tools available. Finally, let's talk about the old-school heavyweight, Quicken Budgeting App. Quicken is traditional desktop budgeting software that has been around for decades. It handles budgeting, debt payoff, bill payments, investment tracking, tax reports, and long-term financial records. The interface feels dated, but the functionality is deep. Who should use Quicken Budgeting App? People who want full financial control, don't mind desktop software, and prefer traditional money management over modern design. It is not flashy, but it is extremely capable. At this point, you have probably noticed something. One of these apps clearly fits the way you think about money. So here is the simple truth. There is no best budgeting app for everyone. Monarch Money Budgeting App is the best all-around Mint replacement. Quicken Simplifi Budgeting App is the best for mobile automation. Empower Budgeting App is the best free option for investments. Rocket Money Budgeting App is the best for subscriptions. Origin Budgeting App is the best all-in-one financial platform. Tiller Money Budgeting App is the best for spreadsheet lovers. Quicken Budgeting App is the best traditional budgeting software. But remember this, the best budgeting app is the one you will actually use. Because budgeting is not about restriction, but about awareness. And awareness creates control. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and comment, budget, and I will break down a beginner-friendly budgeting system that works with any of these apps. Thanks for watching.